I've been waiting for this application to be released for ages. Hello folks, today we're going to dive into an app called Joi Planner. Now it is an app that I've seen on social media for the last few months and it looks beautiful as an application and it's now out publicly available. Previously it was only on that test flight version and available on iOS from today. Today we're going to see whether it's worth it and a really simple to-do list experience for managing the everyday reminders and checklists. So welcome to the channel. My name is Francesco D'Alessio. If you're new to the channel, please do hit subscribe, or you can jump over to toolfinder.xyz to explore lots of tools like Joi Planner. And as a bonus, today we're offering a 30 days free setup subscription. So you can get started with 30 days free, and you can find that link in the description below if you're interested. Setup has over 240 apps, and it's all baked into one subscription. So almost a perfect productivity powerhouse right there. You can find that linked below. So as I said, Joi Planner has been on my list to review for some time, and it's been trapped underneath a test flight that just continued to get bigger. So let's take a look at it here. And as you can see, it's very simple in nature. The application wants you to keep things simple in terms of adding three things: tasks, meetings, and habits. And it does that through bringing in your Apple Calendar. So you can connect up your Apple Calendar and it will automatically bring in items. Now, this is the free plan, which basically offers the ability to connect your calendar and add items, but it doesn't do some of the more impressive features like the drag down and some of the Apple Health stuff, so you can start to get an idea of your sleep and steps and things like that. So the thing that it will ask you when you get started is, what time do you wake up and what time do you close down? And then you can start connecting your experiences. And as you can see, it's very simple. You can just pull it down from the top with the premium subscription to essentially see your good afternoon. You have 4 events left and 3 habits left for the day. And I've done 3,300 steps. So that's a cool little feature that you can get in the premium and what a lot of people were attracted to when sort of subscribing to it. Now, the thing that is nice is when you click into an event or a task, it'll give you an indication of how long you've got left for it. So each thing is got a little symbol next to it. The symbol is like an event, or there's like a grayed out circle, which is like a habit. And the habits are great because you can tick them off and on. And you can also do that using gestures as well, which is nice. You can also see a wind down for the day as well, which sort of gives you a linear approach to what you're focusing on. Now you can add any item down at the bottom and it comes up as this lovely sort of view, and it's really simple to add a daily habit, which is nice, but everything is forced to a daily habit, which is a little bit of a pain. Also adding an event, you need to make sure you choose what the event details are. And over in settings, you can choose whether you switch on and off your Apple Calendar. Now the Apple Reminders ability brings in your Apple Reminders or anything that's on there, and you can bring in Apple Health, which brings in the step data and the sleep data as well. You can also modify from here your wake up times and your wind down times and choose what calendars you want to bring in. Now notifications are a premium feature as part of this, and you can add a display name too. Now the premium, you can also change your icon, and actually it's pretty expensive. This application charges, I think it was $4.99 for a monthly subscription, which is steep, obviously, but $39.99 for the yearly subscription to get access to this app. So obviously, it's much more of a premium application. If you compare it to something like Todoist, you're going to be paying slightly less, but of course, in comparison with the features that you have available here, it's a different sort of realm. So it's just something to notice. This application is trying to be much more of a combination of beautiful application being a simple experience at the same time. But you also get a lifetime subscription, which I believe is $89.99. And I can't remember what these are USD prices, so I'll make sure to try and include as much detail as I can below. Now, apart from that, that's really it in terms of the whole experience. Now, if I just add my name, I'm just going to check whether that affects the ability at the top when you're bringing down an item. Now, I did notice when using this app, in terms of the pros, let's talk about the pros. I love the design. It's really, really simple. It is very easy to add items, which is really nice, and quite simple to do so. The cons of this application are that the pricing is quite steep. You're paying for a more premium experience, but at the same time, it is very sensitive. Like, you do have to get used to the gestures. The gestures are nice, but just very sensitive, and that's something to bring up. Also, the ability to bring in items as well. For example, like being able to see your top bar and like getting the events and habits you've got left. I'm not sure that brings as much value to the productivity element of your day, but at the same time, that nice overview gives you a good summary of what to focus on. Now, this application is apparently not finished. They are, in terms of like planning with Premium, to add much more to it to help you to bring in more tasks and to better manage it. Obviously, they have plans to add more stuff, so it's obviously something that will continue to evolve and mend. But it's a really beautiful app at heart, and something, if you're looking for a very minimalist experience, you will enjoy. So thank you very much for stopping by. Please do make sure to check out toolfinder.co if you're interested in exploring more tools. But if you would like, you can get 30 days free setup linked below. Thank you very much, and I look forward to helping you find the best tools on the market for your work and life. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Cheerio.